want your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure?
We are here. I hope the water's like super hot. Who knows? Yay! We are here. It's a little bit windy, but it's still really nice and warm. We are setting everything up. Hi, everybody! Hi! This little chair. He was eating a little chocolate chip cookie. We're actually at my favorite place here at Meyer Lake. It's called Sips, and I'm getting the Shivers, the pina colada one. It's so good. If you guys ever come here, you have to get the shake. It's like vanilla ice cream, but with like a slushy. So when you mix the two, it's delicious. So we're gonna get this, and I'm so excited.
Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway.
What are you doing?
You want to be in the vlog.
Trying to hide from the vlog.
It's so crazy how like I'm back. We are going to the lake day number 2, and I'm gonna be doing my makeup in the car. Actually, we stopped by the grocery store really quick to get like some water and snacks and stuff like that, and I picked up some lashes that I've never tried before. They're these ones. They are called pre-permed push-up by Salon Perfect. They're just from Walmart, but they look really nice. They kind of look like eyelash extensions, so I'm gonna wear these today. We'll see how they go. They look way nice though, so I'm excited to try them. So we decided to do my makeup really quick here in the car while we drive back to the lake. It's like an hour away. I already did my eyebrows, so they are like looking really dark right now, and I'm gonna do the rest of the face. I don't know, just something simple. Like I feel like the lashes make a big difference. We are headed back to the lake right now. It's a really nice drive. It's like about an hour and a half. So today should actually be a really fun day. We're gonna get some jet skis and stuff, so I'll try to vlog and take you guys along with us. The sun is like hitting right over here, but this is just where I have my makeup. It's just like a little suka bag. I really like these because they're like a plasticky material, so you can like wipe them down and stuff and not get like super dirty. And here I have my lashes, but I'm gonna be trying out these, some of my favorite makeup that I use, my foundation, and I'm using this little stick just in case, you know, like to deepen up the color, just because I got a little tiny tan. Nothing like too crazy, which I was really hoping to get really tan. So yep, let's go ahead and do that really quick. Sorry guys, it's a little bit dark. I don't know about you guys, but it's like a little bit hard for me to do my makeup in the car because it's like moving and stuff, especially eyeliner and eyelashes. It's so hard, and eyebrows. But you know, it's gotta do what you gotta do. My whole family came on this trip, and there's my mom. She just went to put the car away. We're just waiting for everybody to come back to the cars from the grocery store so we can head on to the lake. There's Sebastian coming back into the car. Hi! We are here at Bear Lake.
Yahoo!
This is my sister and Bellamy. They have a YouTube channel.
Follow us on the YouTube. I don't know what it's called, but follow us anyways.
What's her YouTube again?
I think it's
Cat Ramos. Like your little baseball cap.
Thank you.
We get the beautiful honey buckets too.
Sweaters. Our zips and sweaters.
This is the Sips place from yesterday where we got that delicious shake. Here we go. Oh, they already got the tent set up and everything.
Oh snap, Wallace is not kidding around today. We're riding jet skis today.
Yay! I forgot about that.
It's gonna be her first time on a jet ski.
I've been once, but I don't know if I'm gonna get on. I'm just scared.
It's not scary.
Because last time we flipped over.
I think that's because you guys were going too fast. You could just go by yourself.
Because I don't know how to turn and stuff.
You can go by yourself or you can go with me.
Oh yeah, maybe we'll go together. Sebastian's wild.
I took her along last time and she had a good time.
She went on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll go kind of slow.
The only one that I can't convince is my dad.
It's so funny because I'm like my dad. Like we'll go on any roller coaster.
I know, that's just so
But when
weird.
it comes to water, I have so much respect.
And then there's no Asher.
Hi, they have a YouTube channel too. Hi, Asha. Hi. And this is Ross. He has a YouTube channel too.
Hey, ma, ¿están los flotadores en el auto, necesito?
Little tummies. It's not that hot yet, so that's good.
Doro, can I hand you?
Yeah, where are they?
Bellamy?
Yes.
Yep. It's a really pretty view. Say hi, Bellamy. Hi. Should we show them what it looks like? We're gonna go jet skiing later. It's gonna be so much fun. This is the closest thing we have to a beach in Utah. This is the Rendezvous Beach, is what they call it. This is Bellamy's little outfit that his grandma knitted him. It's so cute. Reminds me of Charlie Brown. Hi, baby Asha.
Okay. Sit down and you can watch.
Relax, we've got plenty of time tonight. Oh, everything's gonna be. So I dance through the long dark night, turning down all the city lights. Take my hand.
So we already got all of the jet skis. We got 4 of them. And I might actually build up the courage to get on one later with my sister because she goes a little bit slower. So I think it'll be okay. So I might go on one later. We'll see.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intention. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide. You go free. I know everything will be 'cause you're gonna ruin my reputation.
Okay, so we are leaving the lake now. We are on our way to go eat dinner, and my husband's here. Did you have fun at Bear Lake?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Tired.
They went jet skiing. I just went for a little bit with my sister because I'm still too scared to go on the jet ski. And I also got this cute little Bear Lake sweater. They didn't have very many places opened because today's Sunday. And then we couldn't really get one for Sebastian either. But that's the entire vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post videos. I post videos every single week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.